text on tonight, if you know the story, this happened at a time when Paul and Silas was on their way to prayer. Can I tell you something? Praying will get you in trouble. Are y'all in here? Praying will get you in trouble. What do you mean when you say praying will get me in trouble? Prayer will get you in trouble because it's through praying that oftentimes that's what stirs the enemy. When you are talking to God, when you are communing with God, that's when the enemy gets upset. The enemy is not mad as long as you tick-tocking all day. The enemy doesn't get mad when you just on social media all day. The enemy is not mad when you listen to the favorite rapper or Beyonce all day. The enemy is not mad when you're doing you all day. But as soon as you start to have a little talk with Jesus, then the enemy gets upset. Because the enemy knows that the more we talk to God, the more God will talk to us. Is there anybody in this house that has ever had a little talk with Jesus and looked like you couldn't figure out what to do, but the more you talk to God, the more God will make a way for you? I don't know about you, but on tonight, I'm a living witness that if you talk to him, he'll talk back to you. Anybody else know he'll? He said, I'm setting your children free. When I set you free, I'm setting spouses free. Y'all let pray. God says I'm getting ready to set the house free. I believe God got a whole lot for us. But some of us need to touch our body and say, healing is coming. I'm getting ready to say goodbye to sickness. And I'm going to say hello to